Good morning, students. We we have done question 1 to 5 of chapter sound from class 8. Now we will discuss from question number 6. Question number 6 is the sound from a mosquito is produced when it vibrates its wings at an average rate of 500 vibrations per second. What is the time period of the vibration? See, time period is 1 upon frequency, T equal to 1 upon F. Now how can you calculate frequency? Average rate 500 vibration per second means frequency is 500. So this is 500. Now what is time period? 1 upon 500. Now calculate this value. Next question. Identify the part which vibrates to produce sound in the following instruments. Dholak. It consists of a head which is stretched membrane. Vibrations are set into these stretched strings. When the head is beaten gently, the vibrations produce sound and thus dholak produces sound. Sitar. It is a musical instrument. Stretched strings are part of it. Vibrations are produced when the string is plucked when played. These vibrations produce sound. Flute. It's an instrument which has holes in it. It is a hollow pipe. The air inside the pipe is set into vibration when air is blown over its mouth, and this produces a pleasant sound. What is the difference between noise and music? Can music become noise? Music is sound which is pleasant to hear. Sound from flutes, pianos, violins are pleasant to hear. Noise are sound which are unpleasant to hear. Sound which are unpleasant to hear are sound from bus, electrical generator, gunshot sound, etc. List sources of noise pollution in your surrounding: bus and car horn, firecracker, loudspeaker, high volume in television, transistor, mixture at home, siren from factory. Last question. Explain in what way noise pollution is harmful to human. Number of health issues are associated with noise pollution: stress, headache, hearing loss, insomnia, hypertension. Your parents are going to buy a house. Question 11. They have been offered one on the roadside and another 3 lanes away from the roadside. Which house would you suggest your parents should buy? It is better to buy the house which is 3 lanes away from the roadside, because along the roadside it produces noise pollution. So away from the roadside I suggest will be less noise as compared to one on the main road. Sketch Linux and explain its function in your Linux. So this is the Linux. Last question. Lightning and thunder take place in the sky at the same time and at the same distance from us. Lightning is seen earlier and thunder is heard later. Can you explain why? Speed of the light is more than the speed of sound. Thus lightning is seen first, which is accompanied by thunder later. Speed of light is more than the speed of sound. So that's why lightning is seen first and thunder is seen last. Thank you so much.